Welcome to Joseph ID guys, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing the easiest way to create an Apple ID from your PC or mobile phone without any US address, phone number, or even without any MasterCard. So go to Google, simply type Apple ID and go to the first link and then simply click on create your Apple ID. And for the ease of your access, I will be giving you this link to the description too. Okay, now type the first name. I'm typing mine, last name, and the country. Whatever you wish you can choose, but I'm just choosing United States. And now the birth date. Okay, now the most important part is your email address. It should be a valid email address. Okay, now the password. The password should be with the combination of three rules. Okay, it should be at least 8 or more characters. Upper lowercase letters should be there, and you should use at least one number. Okay, I have done with it and now confirming. Now choose any security questions. You will be given 3 questions. Okay, Hawking. Second, okay, favorite children's book is Lighthouse. And the third number is, okay, Pat Smith, New York. And now it's done. And I'm gonna fill up the captcha. It's T3 X N and 1. And now continue. And it's saying that it has sent an code to my email address, and I'm going to my email address. As you can see, the email address, it is there, and I have to remember this, and it's done. And I'm pressing on continue. It may take a little while. I'm almost done. Okay, the final step I have completed. This is my Apple ID without any phone number, address, even without any MasterCard. And this is a simple way of making an Apple ID with this tutorial. And finally, if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph ID. If you have any better idea than this, then don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.